Do you have $300,000 to spend on a house in Metro Detroit? What does that get you these days? Let's head over to Livonia and take a look. Welcome to Livonia, Michigan, specifically Rosedale Gardens, where your dream home awaits. This ranch recently sold for $295,000, well above the asking price of $275,000. This property exemplifies how hot the real estate market is in Livonia. Now, before we go in, let's look at this meticulously maintained yard and newer deck. This space is perfect for enjoying Michigan's beautiful warm seasons. Inside, step into a spacious, bright family room with large picture windows and a seamless flow. It creates an inviting atmosphere for entertaining and relaxing. Adjacent to that family room is the breakfast nook, which serves as a cozy spot for your morning coffee or all of your meals. The heart of the home is this stunning kitchen, featuring granite countertops, new appliances, and updated flooring, ready for your culinary adventures. A convenient, stylish, remodeled half bath complements the living spaces. The main bath has also seen updates with elegance and functionality, and it's a perfect match for this charming home. Now, 3 serene bedrooms provide peaceful retreats, each room echoing the home's theme of style and comfort. Finally, let's explore the basement's vast, flexible, open area, ideal for transforming into your personal entertainment hub or a quiet home office. This beautiful Livonia ranch represents exceptional value under $300,000. More than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle waiting to be embraced.